Hello there, it's Sano, your IKEA enthusiast back again. Nice to meet you all. This season, IKEA has launched about 850 new items, and I'm excited to introduce some of the highlights. There is a also popular item that many of you asked, why haven't you bought it yet? So I finally purchased it and I'll be reviewing it today as well. If you have any other recommendations, please feel free to let me know in the comments. Let's get started. First up, let me introduce some of the most exciting new items. This is a French press coffee maker, a very popular item at IKEA. The color changes seasonally, and this time it's available in white. Well, off-white. It's a great price and dishwasher safe, making it a popular product. Next is something from the Greatorex series. It's a super stylish teacup. Is it a teacup? It looks quite sophisticated. This comes as a set of two for only $7.5, which is a really great deal. The two cups have different designs and both are sold together in the set. Moving on the lighting section, I found a fun portable light. This portable light is on the larger side and it comes with a handle on top. It's incredibly lightweight. You can even hang it up, so it would be great for camping, don't you think? It's IP44 waterproof, and like many IKEA products, you can use rechargeable batteries and charge it directly with a USB Type-C cable. What's cool is that it's designed to be used upside down, so you can place it like a table light as well. Next up was a popular item, the Ternavi, which now comes in a new color. The Ternavi is great because you can use a dimmable bulb to adjust the brightness, making it a super convenient light. The new color is dark yellow, a nice calming yellow shade. It's currently available in black and white as well, but the black is particularly popular. Now I'd like to introduce some items I recently purchased. This item isn't a new release, but since it's been getting colder lately, I've been trimming my pothos plant. I was keeping the trimmings in a cup for water propagation. Then I started getting messages on Instagram stories saying, "Why haven't you bought this yet? It's amazing!" So I finally went and got it. I mean, using a cup works fine, but now I wish I had bought this sooner. It's so much better. This stylish water vase has a slim test tube-like design. When I was using a cup, the leaves were supporting each other in a kind of acrobatic way. This vase really helped keep things neat and organized. It's not only stylish but also super practical. It's a fantastic product. The pothos plant I bought from IKEA is doing really well, by the way. The glass vase is made from thick glass, which gives it a really nice feel. Another item I talked about on Instagram stories is this white slipper, which has a new color this season. I feel like it's been around for a while, but it's officially listed as a new release. Next to it is this fuzzy Christmas collection slipper. Isn't it adorable? At first, I thought it was a little bit expensive, but look at the sole. So sturdy, it's almost like a shoe. Someone mentioned that in Europe, because there are a lot of tiled floors, slippers tend to be made from more durable materials. So I ended up buying the gray ones. Not exactly a new product, but several people recommended a gray over white, saying white gets dirty easily. And they were right. I went with gray. People also commented that the terry cloth material is so fluffy and comfortable. Let's look at the sole again. It's so well made. When choosing slippers, you sometimes come across ones with felt-like soles or something similar. that tend to collect dust and hair. These don't have that problem, which I really appreciate. Someone even mentioned that they use them when traveling because they pack flat and are perfect for flights. Hotel slippers are usually pretty thin, but these are much sturdier and more reliable. I've been using mine for about 2 weeks now, and I'm really happy with them. The fact that they come in multiple sizes is also a great feature. Have you already set up your Christmas tree? Let me show you some of my favorite Christmas decorations. First is the tree. Ours is a 180 centimeter tree that we bought from IKEA a few years ago. The trees this year have been upgraded with denser branches and a more stable base, but the price is still unbelievably low. This year, I wanted to go for a more wintry, white-themed tree, so I picked up these ornaments. These paper ornaments come with strings attached, and you just unfold them. They have Velcro strips, so you simply stick them together. At first, I struggled a bit, but once you get the hang of it, it's really easy. They are super cute, and the set includes 6 different shapes. I also bought this bird garland, which comes as a set of 2. It's not too long, so it's easy to hang up, and I really like that. It seems like some stores are already sold out, so be sure to check it out early. I bought this item last year, but I think it's the same this year. The packaging might have changed, but it's the same design. These lights are not battery powered. They're USB powered, and they come with a power adapter. I use a smart plug to turn them on and off at the same time every day, so I don't have to worry about batteries running out. I use them to hide the base of the tree. The rug I'm using is made from recycled polyester and is machine washable. They've recently released a new gray color as well. It's a great way to instantly create a cozy winter vibe. Next, I've had my eye on this lilac-colored poster for a while. There's a downside to buying IKEA art because you end up with the same decor as people around the world, but the price is amazing. Here's another panel with a cute floral design. I know it's kind of awkward having the same art as everyone else, but considering that a lot of these items are seasonal and will be replaced, I think it's fine. This frame section is near the end of the store, so it's easy to miss, but IKEA frames are really great. It's like a hidden gem. This next product is a classic, but now it comes in a new color. This new nuanced color is so lovely, don't you think? It comes in a variety of sizes, and the price is unbelievably affordable. This is a window film I introduced in a previous video. I made a joke how transparent it was, but I decided to give it a try. I have a window I want to cover for privacy, and right now I'm using Shottis or Roman blinds. The packaging is sturdy and it comes in a cardboard box, so it won't get bent or damaged when you take it home. It's 150 centimeters wide, and this price, it's a great deal. I wanted to let in more light through this window. The Roman blind blocks quite a bit of light, so I'll be putting this on the window instead. It was really easy to cut. You'll need to prepare some soapy water. The film itself isn't super thin. It was a bit tricky to remove all the air bubbles though. It comes with a squeegee too. The privacy effect is excellent. You can't see through at all now. It blocks the view while still letting in plenty of light. IKEA's website also shows it being used on glass cabinet doors, which I thought was a nice idea. However, when I checked the next morning, I noticed quite a few air bubbles. I wasn't very good at applying it, apparently. Now let's move on to the room setup section. One of the comments from my last video was that someone was considering buying the Yostein system. So I've selected a room setup that features Yostein. This white shelving system is available in various configurations, and you can mix and match different pieces to suit your needs. Here's an example where you can buy just the shelves or the hanger rods. I also received a comment recently from someone who bought the Söderhamn sofa. The Söderhamn has a deep seat, allowing you to fully stretch out and relax. It's probably the most popular sofa at IKEA. In Japan, this box has been marked down, so I bought more. It's a box with one side lower than the others, which is its main feature. If you place it one way, you get hidden storage. If you flip it the other way, you get easy access to the contents. It's also incredibly sturdy. Over the past year or so, the finish has been updated to a matte texture. I'll be using it in my bathroom drawer. It fits perfectly in my Panasonic C-Line vanity unit. In it, I store small pieces of sponge for cleaning the sink, my hair dryer, and my recently purchased steam iron. The steam iron is super convenient because you can iron clothes while they're still hanging. By organizing things with this box, I no longer have to bundle up cords, which makes everything much neater. Next time, I'd like to show you the changes I made to the bedroom. Do you know what this headboard is made from? It's actually a door sold at IKEA. It's such a clever and simple idea, it's a perfect even for the rental. I'll explain more in the next video, so please stay tuned. And if there's anything you've bought recently that you really liked, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. If you enjoyed the video, I'd be so happy if you subscribed to my channel. I'll see you again soon in the next video.